Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the pound dollar. Now we're moving up quite nicely through Asia. We don't normally move up on the pound through Asia, but we are. And we're coming back up to retest a couple of levels. Now the trend on the weekly chart is actually down. We've double topped, moved through two bottoms, so we have a lower bottom here, and this is corrective at the moment until we take out these highs. So we're coming up to retest weekly resistance from over here, 122.93, and the 79% level of the range at 123.09. Currently trading at 123.10, so we're right at that level right now. So let's just drop down to the day chart, have a closer look. Our trades on the day chart now. From the weekly perspective, we could in this area form a lower top. The trend on the weekly chart is down. The trend on the day chart is up. So you might say, well, the trend is up, so why should I be looking for a sell? Now, to explain that, what I'm going to do is drop down the 4-hour chart in a moment, but just be aware that we had a double top failure up here. We consolidated it, then broke down. So we're moving back up to the area of consolidation before we moved down last time. So this is where you're going to see sellers coming into the market. Alright, so what I want to do is drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a look at the MACD. So let's just do that now. Alright traders, so on the 4-hour chart, I've got my MACD here. Now when we put in the high of last week, what I started to notice was we had divergence forming. Price is moving up higher, but the indicator's not. And now we've moved down to a lower bottom on the 4-hour chart, turned that 4-hour trend to down. And we're rallying back up to the 79% level of the 4-hour range as well. So the weekly range and the 4-hour range have a 79% level, all at the same level. So I'm just watching at the moment. What I'd like to see as we're getting into London is that price starts to turn over at this 123.10 level and starts to want to move back below 123.00. Alright, and turns over. So let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart here, obviously price is moving up here quite strongly in Asia. Doesn't usually do that on the pound. We usually have a very quiet session through Asia, but we're moving up. And those are the two 79% levels, 123.09, 123.10 from the weekly and 4-hour charts. Now I'm just watching. As we head into London, do we start to see a sell-off? Can we move back below the figure, 123.00? And it'd be great if we move back below weekly resistance at 122.93. And then do we start to see 122.93 up to 123.00 become resistance intraday for a reversal back down the range? Now we may just simply head up all day and not reverse at this level that I'm watching. So as I said, I'm just sitting on my hands right now, but we're at a very good level for a reversal. Just watching to see if price can start to show its hand. Can we move back below 123.00 and 122.93? Does that area then become resistance later in the day for a move back down the range? And finally traders, I'll give you an update this evening in the live Forex trading webinar at 8 PM Sydney time tonight. If you'd like to join me, simply register at the link below.